If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash Like Money. Today is a maintenance vlog. I have a lash class on Sunday to teach, so this is just gonna be me getting my nails done, lashes done, hair done, and makeup done. So before we get into that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, so you can stay linked in on my newest content. If you want to see my maintenance vlog, please keep watching. Trusty, and I'll show you the after.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Precious. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess I'm high up your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
Alright guys, so today is Friday the 29th, and I just got my lashes done by Anastasia, and I got a little pop of white, and these are my nails. I got like the little cow print thing, very giving crew. Tomorrow I have hair, so this is just like my little maintenance vlog. I really didn't get to vlog her doing my lashes, and I didn't get to vlog her doing my freaking nails, but I will vlog my hair because it's at Making Changes where I work. So if you want to see how I'm getting my hair done and like the final results. Oh, and I'm gonna do at home my eyebrows, and I have to dye my hair, so I'm tinting my eyebrows, and I'll show you guys how I do that at home. All right guys, so I'm darkening my eyebrows at home right now. I'm using brow henna Mina in black, and I'm leaving it set on for 25 minutes. You have to use purified water, and I'm just gonna clean up the shape, but as you can see, that's what it's like. And I will show you once I like rinse it off, but I just want to show you what this was. I look crazy right now. My eyelashes look really good though, but I just want to show you guys that part. I forgot to say that before the 25 minutes is up, I remove the front half of my brow and I leave the tail of my brow so it has like an ombre effect. And then I'm also about to color my hair right now with this is the color that I always use for my at-home color. It's in black. Usually I do black blue, but I'm doing black this time. And then I'm gonna self-tan tonight, and I'll probably do a little tutorial on that. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial on how I dye my hair at home black. I know it looks like my hair is already black, but I do like my hair as black as my soul. Don't mind my brows. I'm doing henna brows right now, and one of them is uneven and it's like fading already, so I need to fix it, so don't mind that. But I just section off into two parts, and then I'm going to show you how I do it at home. And you have to wear like an old t-shirt and put a towel down. I'm in my bathroom right now, and there's a towel down. So you can put Vaseline around your hairline if you want to prevent the hair dye from seeping onto your face. Or acetone nail polish remover also takes off hair dye. So I don't do the Vaseline anymore, but you can if you want to. It's up to you. Just shake it really good. So now we're gonna start with the roots first, all right here and in the back, and then I'm gonna work my way. Before I'm getting it done, I just brushed it out. I have two 30 inches and I have two 24 inches that's going in my hair for half up, half down with D-bells. And look at my eyelash. Look how I just got them done yesterday, but we're not gonna talk about that. All right, so if you want to see how I'm getting my hair done, just keep watching. So I'm waiting on Nessa to pull up to get my makeup done. Oh, she's here. Hey.
Hey, I'm sorry for this out there.
Okay. I'm at Glamour Boutique and I'm just waiting for Nessa. I don't mind all the shit in the back of my car, but like Vanessa literally saved the day. Look at how good this fucking makeup is. And she fixed my eyelashes, thank God, because I was about to fucking cry if I had to teach a class like that. So she saved the day, thank God. This is with no filter. Good it looks. Stop. I love it. I have anything else to say. That was my maintenance vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be part of the Glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be leaned in on my newest content.